red, and many a tear we shed, because we know they'll cease to grow. In fact, they'll soon be dead. And yet we go ahead, painting the roses red. Painting the roses red, we're painting the roses red. Don't tell the queen when you have seen or seen, that's what we said. But we're painting the roses